Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be demonstrating the ever so simple process of applying the Olixar case compatible glass screen protector for the new iPhone SE. Then I will be giving an honest review as to what I think of the final product when the protector is attached. I'll be focusing on the phone's performance, how well the protector fits, and the overall look after application. Within the box you'll receive the glass screen protector and a cleaning pack, which consists of a microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, a dust remover, and guide stickers. These are all the tools you will need to apply the screen protector. Before starting, I would recommend turning off your phone, just so your screen doesn't keep activating when you are applying, which can be very distracting. So, to start the application, take the wet wipe and thoroughly clean your screen to eliminate any dirt or grease. Next, use the microfiber cloth to abolish any liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. Now that your screen is looking pristine, repeatedly dab the dust sticker onto your display, as you do not want any dust to be left on your screen when applying the glass, as it will affect the appearance of your protector post-application. Once these steps are all complete and you are happy with the condition of your phone's display, place a guide sticker at either end of the glass shielding. We can now begin to apply the protector. To do so, peel off label number 1. Do not touch the glue side of the protector, and avoid holding the protector glue side up, as you want to reduce any chance of dust being attracted. Lower the glass protection onto the screen of your phone, using the guide stickers to help you. When you are happy with the way the glass is situated onto the display, gently press the centre of your screen to reduce the chances of bubbles forming. Do not worry if some bubbles do appear, as these can be easily removed by simply wiping a microfiber cloth over them. Make sure to wipe from the centre outwards, so the air can leave through the edging of the glass. And there we are, the product fits immaculately onto the screen. As you can see, it covers your device's display superb. There is no overhanging and reaches to each edge of the display. I noticed there is no delay in response when using the phone with the screen protector attached. I am able to use the handset the same way as before application, so I can continue watching my favourite online streaming services as like before, though this time my phone will be receiving high quality screen protection. I have applied a variation of cases to the phone and found them to not interfere with the glass screen protector. Therefore, you are able to get all-round protection to your phone with no problems at all. The screen protector's immaculate condition will stay intact for a long time due to the anti-scratch coating it is layered with. You can feel confident putting your phone and keys in the same pocket and feel assured that no damage will be inflicted onto the glass. The thickness of the glass is not overbearing and doesn't detract too much from the phone's original look, meaning for the protection to go unrecognised. The glass is shatterproof, so if in the unfortunate event the protector was to undergo a heavy impact, it will crack instead of shatter, which is much safer for when having to remove the glass. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with how easy the installation process was, and the result I got post-application. The cost of the screen protector is extremely low, considering the quality of the product. If you would like to purchase this Olixar tempered glass screen protector, check out the link in the description and comments. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. For more content like what you have seen today, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.